As we begin a new year, it is natural to look back on the previous year and think about how we can improve and move forward. Making resolutions for the new year often involves setting goals and developing habits that will help us become better versions of ourselves. We've prepared a list of the top New Year's resolutions around the globe based on research done before the end of 2022. We'll begin with number 5. Spend more time with family and friends. People expressed a desire to improve their ties in the coming year. This is a resolution that will benefit both you and people you care about. By making an effort to communicate with loved ones, you can expand your social support network, reduce feelings of loneliness and isolation, and create great experiences. On number 4. To save more money. Some of us spent a lot during the holiday season, and we want to tighten our belts in the face of growing inflation and other economic issues. People understandably desire to be more financially secure as the economy recovers from the effects of the COVID-19 pandemic. You may strengthen your financial foundation by creating a budget, decreasing costs, and finding ways to raise your income. At number 3. Lose some weight. People have been trying to lose weight because of family gatherings, parties, and other events over the last few weeks of continuous eating. This is a popular resolution. Weight loss can improve your health and self-esteem, and there are numerous options you can take, ranging from food and exercise to medical interventions. At number 2. Eating healthy food. As we mentioned previously, we've been eating a lot of carbs, fats, and sweets during the last few weeks. A healthy diet is often promoted as an important component of overall health and wellness. You can have greater control over what goes into your meals and make better choices if you cook more at home. The most popular New Year's resolution is to exercise. People said they plan to go to the gym more in the coming year. Given the number of activities we attended throughout the previous holiday season, this is hardly surprising. Regular exercise has been found to improve physical and mental health, boost energy, and lower the risk of chronic diseases. This will also allow us to concentrate and be more disciplined with our bodies. As you can see, these are all goals that can have a positive impact on your life. If you're looking for some inspiration for your own New Year's resolutions, consider adopting one of these popular goals. Remember, even if you don't stick with every resolution you set, there's no harm in trying. Wishing you all the best in the new year. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, please subscribe to Top Spot Trend and click the bell button to stay up to date on our video uploads.